How to become an SEO expert in 2023. Want to be an SEO expert? Learn all about SEO certifications, emerging trends, and different learning frameworks. This guide will show you the way. Meet Brian Dean, a successful SEO specialist who started his journey in 2009. He shares his secrets to achieving top rankings for competitive keywords. Being an SEO specialist means optimizing websites for higher search engine rankings. You can learn SEO through courses, optimizing your own website, or working at a marketing agency. An SEO expert should have skills like keyword research, understanding HTML, copywriting, and knowledge of emerging SEO trends and Google algorithm changes. Understanding basic SEO like how search engines work and Google's ranking factors is essential. Knowledge of HTML is also a must. Mastering the 5 keys of SEO, keyword research, content marketing, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO are critical to becoming an expert. Putting SEO into practice by working on your own website, taking on clients, or working in an agency can help you gain practical experience and skills quickly.